This is the tool that many of the successful TikTok shop creators I know use. It's an amazing research tool. It just makes everything so much easier. You're able to see at a glance the best selling products and also like the best performing videos. So for example, if we were to just click on one, we're able to just click on this one and then it will tell you the stats of this video, how many views it got, how many revenue that this video has generated. And when you come down here, it will also show you the other creators who are creating the content for this specific product that are also doing well. And you can see the amount of views that they got for each video and also how much revenue that each video generated. Take a look at this one. So this product is an electric shaver, and this specific video has generated 3.4 million views in the past 30 days, and it generated more than $194,000 in revenue. So this give or take is about $19,000 to $20,000 in profit. And to see the video, you can just hover over here, and they will show you the video, or you can just click on it.
Just know that your kitty thing is crying for help if you're still shaving with disposable razors. Everyone knows disposable razors are terrible for your skin.
And you have the option to download this video without any watermarks, or you can export this script by just clicking here, and then the exact script of the video will be exported. And as you can see here, the script is generated in just a few minutes. And then you can copy this and then paste it onto like a Word document, and then you can modify it any way you want. Or you could use the AI option here to optimize it. So you can just click on this, and let's say we want to reword the script. Can you reword the script? And just hit enter, and then the AI will get to work and then reword the script for you. So here we have a reworded version of the script. So let's come back to the main page here, and I'll show you exactly how to find potential winning products. We can come to the product tab. So let's go to the last 7 days and hit submit. So here we are seeing the last 7 days result. I think that's just better because it's more recent. So here we are looking at the best-selling products in the entire TikTok shop marketplace. We see the different products here in this column, the number of items sold, the amount of revenue that was generated, and I believe right now it's sorted by the most items sold. So if you want to sort by the most revenue, we could do that as well. And also we could see this approximate revenue trend in this given period. And again, if you want to see quickly the most viewed videos, you can just hover over the thumbnail and it'll show you exactly what those videos are. So what I like to do is to not go for any of these best-selling items because number one, they are already more saturated. Many people may have already seen these items and they have either purchased them or decided not to purchase. And also these items I think tend to have more creators creating videos for them. So it's also more saturated on the creator side. That's just my logic when I think about this, but they could definitely still work if they're still trending. So there's not one right or wrong way to go about this. It's just what I personally prefer. So I think it's a better strategy to try to find products that have not totally blown up yet, but are still getting sales on a consistent basis. So those would be like the hidden gems. So how we are going to do that is to utilize the filters on the left hand side. You can select the category of products that you sell in if you have a specific niche that you sell in. For this example, I will just leave it as is so we can just see a broader result. And then for the revenue filter, I like to pick 1K to 10K. So that would indicate that the product has made some meaningful sales, but not yet overly saturated. The revenue source, I like to pick video because that's what I focus on. And the revenue trend, I like to select growing so that it has a growing trend. And then for the average unit price, I like to, let's say, set this at 15 to let's say 75. And as we talked about, the unit price, when it's too high, it's less likely that it could be a impulse purchase. And when the price is too low, then you won't be able to earn much commission. So I think 15 to 75 approximately would be a good range. So we can click apply and then we can click submit. So here we have the result. So when you look at the product, I like to just take a quick glance at like the trend. So this seems like has already gone up quite a bit. So something like this is more appealing to me because it's like growing steadily. So you can just browse around to see what catches your eyes. So something like this is appealing to me in terms of the product trend. And you can see the number of items sold and then the revenue that has generated. And then we can just click on one and see if this would be a possible winning product. So you can see a healthy trend going upward a bit. And then you can see the actual TikTok product link here. So this is a travel size body and hair fragrance mist. And then we can come down here and see the exact creators that are creating content for this product. And also the exact videos that were created for this product. So this specific video generated about $3,000 in revenue based on almost 8,000 views. So that seems like a very healthy ratio. And that's the number of items sold. So something like this could possibly have potential. If you want to try this tool, I have a direct link listed down in the description if you use my code KUMO. And then you can come back out here and look at the other search results, and based on what you resonate with and also what meets the winning product criteria that we talked about to narrow down the potential winners. So this is how you would find winning product